Azerbaijan, 15, 20 years old freedom country. Baku just today like European city. And what now today, if you see, look around city, you see architecture Baku, European, Musliman architecture. Baku, it's like European and Muslim culture, my friends. In sport and politics, they're very different, my friends. Sport, politics, what for me, what I tell me about me, it's not good business. Sport, it's just for change people friendly. From example, no, for example, Armenia, my bet before, как friends, or maybe I'm sorry, because you know, Armenians will come to Baku, it's Caucasian people, they come in my city. Political, it's just for left. But now they come in my city, from Baku, I'm даже from Armenia, absolutely, my friends, hospitality, my friends. Conflict, political, it's just, you know, for big political. But people like say me, what's the problems? Only God you won, people won. What's the problems?